Welcome to our educational video on schizoaffective disorder, where we will explore its characteristics, compare it with schizophrenia and schizotypal disorder, and delve into the origin of the term and the evolution of treatments. Schizoaffective disorder is a complex mental illness that combines features of both schizophrenia and mood disorders, such as depression or bipolar disorder. It can be challenging to diagnose due to its overlapping symptoms with other disorders. When comparing schizoaffective disorder with schizophrenia, it's important to note that schizoaffective disorder involves persistent psychotic symptoms along with mood disturbances, while schizophrenia primarily involves psychotic symptoms such as hallucinations and delusions. On the other hand, schizotypal disorder is characterized by odd or eccentric behavior, and individuals with this disorder may have unusual beliefs or magical thinking, but they do not experience the severe psychotic symptoms seen in schizoaffective disorder or schizophrenia. The term schizoaffective was first introduced in the 1930s to describe a group of patients who displayed both schizophrenic and affective symptoms. Over time, the understanding and treatment of schizoaffective disorder have evolved, leading to a better grasp of its complexities and more targeted interventions. As we continue to advance our understanding of mental health, it's crucial to raise awareness and support individuals affected by schizoaffective disorder. By staying informed and advocating for improved resources and treatments, we can make a positive impact on the lives of those living with this condition. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into schizoaffective disorder and its distinctions from schizophrenia and schizotypal disorder. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to like and subscribe for more engaging content on mental health. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are not alone in this journey.